my October Ipsy bag is finally here. It is about a week late. So I don't remember ordering anything extra, so I'm not sure why it was late. Although I do think Ipsy is doing like open enrollment right now, which sounds really weird to say it like that, like open enrollment. Anyway, yeah, so my bag is here, but before I open it up, I pulled out last year's bag and the bag from the year before to do like a little comparison. So this was last year's bag. I don't think the color's showing up that well on camera, but it's like a nice dark red, and then there's kind of like a pearlescent red where the lace design is. And it's got this cute little bat. Oh, it's not gonna work. There we go. Yeah, I think it just says Ipsy on both sides. And then, you know, just plain black inside. So it was last year's bag. I really love this bag. Not as much though as I love this bag, which was the bag for the year before. And this one actually has the designer's tag on it. Yeah. There you go. I like this one. It's a pearlescent pink, which pink really isn't my favorite color, but this bag looks really good anyway, so I love it. I love all the little designs, like a cute little bat. And the ghosty, oh, and the ghost is on the zipper. It says my hair stuff in it. Yeah, it's just another black inside. But yeah, so those are the comparison bags I have, which is fun now that I can do like comparison bags. I do wish that they continued to do this, so I don't know if this was just for this specific designer. And I know that they will put the designer's name sometimes on the inside, but like, there we go. I use the designer tag. Nope, you're the Made in China tag. Yeah, so I wish they included the designer, like a designer tag on them. But they don't anymore. It's okay. Yeah, so those are the comparison bags. We're gonna see what this bag looks like. The envelopes are like really flimsy now too. So they were fine, I think, in August and then September and this month, but it's like when it was made, it's not sticking to the bubble wrap, so it feels really, doesn't feel well made at all. But that's okay, as long as it ships the stuff. Alright. That is really bright. So it looks brighter on camera than it does in person. It's still like a really bold red. It's already dirty. Man. That's okay. I just got some wear and tear. Alright, it's gonna get a lot of wear and tear, so I'm not gonna complain about that, but it's got a cool embossed mask on it. But it's just a circle. So I guess I'm gonna just pretend like this one is a moon tag, so it kind of matches the other zipper tabs, tags, whatever they are, charms. Yeah, so this really is not too much less bright in person as it appears to be on camera. It could be the lighting. I moved to a different part of the house, so there's no natural lighting being used right now. It's just this chandelier. Yeah, it's kind of a red-orange. It feels nice. It feels like, I'm pretty sure it's pleather. They're not going to send you a leather bag. I hope. But, like, the emboss feels cool. The pleather feels nice. It feels nice and sturdy. Oh, let's go around the inside. Black inside again. Here's the card. So I guess it is supposed to be, I guess it is like part of the theme. Alright, so who said nights were for sleep? Not me and the husband unit, because he works a weird shift, so we're up all night. Alright, so we're going to start with this. It's the Tarte Shape Tape, which I haven't used before. I like the lid. Let's see, does it have the color? Let's just say Double Duty Beauty. Okay, so fair, neutral, fair, neutral. I think usually I get the lightest shade for stuff like this, and normally it matches perfectly because I don't spend a lot of time outside. But here we go. This is not a lot, we'll just do a little dab. Just gonna conceal this spot on my arm, and by arm I mean hand. That actually, like, you can kind of see it right there where I didn't blend it, but yeah, that's a pretty good match. Feels nice, so I'll have to try it later. I think this is normally used as an under eye concealer, right? I'm assuming. I haven't tried it before, so that'll be a nice little sample to give a shot. Okay, so what is this guy? Oh, the like Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. I don't know what that means or what it's supposed to do. So what is it? 111 Skin, Harley St. London, not Harley by London. See if I can open it. So this is an eye gel. Oh, it just pops off. Okay. Just want a little bit. Oh, okay. Yeah, it's just like an eye serum. Oh, wow. Okay, a little bit goes a long way on that. So that's a nice sample. I like it when the samples, even if you don't get like a huge bottle, it just, you need such a small amount to get the payoff or whatever. It has a scent to it. Maybe I'm just smelling my lotion. But yeah, so there we go. I don't know what a lift gel is supposed to do, so I will, I guess, give that a try. We're going to do this guy in the, I guess let's just do this real quick. Oh, damn, the bronzer in Oliver. I think Oliver should be the lighter shade. Oh no, that looks really dark. Okay, maybe it's not too bad. Alright, no, that's not gonna be too bad. Oh, yeah. Yeah, okay, so, I mean, it looks dark, I guess, in person, but it didn't apply too darkly. It looks like I can blend it out, but it's from TheBalm, and TheBalm usually has excellent samples to do. Anti-orange bronzer. I've never had an orange bronzer. I've only had brown bronzers. Okay, so we're gonna do this guy. Okay, I guess not. Oh, alright. So we're gonna do... Yeah, why was this a week late? There's nothing else in there. That bag again. Okay, so let's do... I guess let's do this because the package is like Loud and Proud. Lip Fondant, Half Cake. Babe Tested. Does it have the color? No, it's got some donuts on it. Or not. Oh, no, there's the color. Okay. This one is in Loverboy. Go. Oh. Okay, so there is some of the lipsticks, Liquid Lip from Half Caked. The little donut again. Yeah, that's not a bad color. There's the... It's got like little hearts for the O's. Let's see here. one looks a little bit different. Okay, I guess we'll just kind of have at it. Oh, that's, wow, that's really dark. That's good. Usually I get like the obnoxious hot colored pinks, but this looks like a nice dark pink, which should work really well for me. But like this shade of pink has been my curse the last few months. But yeah, no, that looks good. That's just, I can't tell if it has a scent to it. My lotion is too strong. But, so yeah, that's a good one. I'm just gonna leave that out of the box. There we go. Okay, this guy is double wrapped. Oh, that's right. Oh no. Really? I saw reviews on this where it warned that people said that theirs were broken, and it looks like mine is also broken. Why did you send these out if they were all broken? Well, that was exciting. Yeah. Dang it. Iridescent highlighter. Maybe I can do... Okay, here's some on the outside of it. Let's see if I can get it to... No, my hand is way too light. Oh, it's all over. Okay, hold on. Man, that looks cool. That is a shame. It is destroyed. It is all over. Well, it's all over the table now. It's gonna be a mistake, but I'm gonna try and open it anyway. Maybe I'm not gonna try and open it. There we go. Ah, oh, it's ruined. Okay, well, I might try and salvage this. I mean, I've got witch hazel here. I like using witch hazel to, oh, it feels so creamy. What was I saying? Oh, I like using witch hazel to try and salvage, like, broken products. Because witch hazel is really good for your skin, so I prefer that. If it's going to be in, like, my makeup, I mean, it evaporates pretty much the same rate that, alcohol does. So instead of using alcohol, I just switched to the witch hazel for the astringent properties, because, you know, wow. Dang it, why is it destroyed? That's awesome. Oh, I'm so sad. I don't know if I can... If I do it on, like, the underside of my arm. Man. Yeah, that's cool. It's got, like, a silvery blue shine to it, but it looks real nice. Okay, seriously, it was in, like, 2 layers of bubble wrap. They knew it wasn't going to ship. Why did they do that? Or it was already broken and they were just pretending. Either way, that's a shame because that is an excellent highlighter. Bum. I can't close that, it all shifted. Alright, so I'm going to try and save that. So maybe I'll do after this. And I'll show you my method. Not that there's, you know, not enough of those repairing your makeup videos all over the YouTube, but... Yeah, so not a bad bag this month. This really is a total bummer. Yeah, look, you can see some of the shine on the packaging. It looks really good. It feels really good. I'm so sad that it's done that. You know, that figures. Alright. You know, so yeah, that's a plus. This is obviously a plus. This was an exciting try, so that's pretty good. You know, the bronzer looks nice. I have no idea exactly what this is supposed to do, so I'll figure it out. And then maybe I will remember to, like, update the, I got it on my nail. Yeah, so I'll remember to, like, update the description box if I, you know, like, see if this works or not. But I want to try and get the video up today. But yeah, so let's see, what is this? I didn't actually do the, there we go. Yeah, so City Color, Glow Pro, and was it Stellar Iridescent Highlight Nebula? Yeah, Nebula is the color. It really is a nice highlighter. That is a shame. Okay, so that's my Ipsy bag this month. Who's so perfect. I love space. I'm really sad about this. It's everywhere. I'm just gonna, can I? Yeah, look at that. Just gonna. These are just placemats, by the way, so I'm not like rubbing this into my table. I can wash these. I can wash my table too, I guess. But yeah, look how awesome that color is, and I'm gonna lose so much of it trying to repair it. I'm so sad. Oh, look, this dried down. I'm just gonna see how much comes off real quick. Oh, that's not too bad. I'm just gonna... Yeah, okay, if I try, it's gonna come off. But yeah, so that's not bad. It dries down nice and matte on the lipstick. So sad about the highlighter. My Shape Tape color was perfect because I need the lightest color that every company offers ever. And we'll just give these two a try. But thanks for watching. Sorry that something ended up being broken. Oh, it's just leaving it everywhere. That's a bummer. I'm going to try and fix this. Hopefully, if you get the Ipsy bags, yours did not come with anything that was broken. But if you did, feel free to share a comment about it. Or if you, you know, like got this guy and had to repair it yourself and did the video and all that jazz, feel free to share that too. So I'm happy to see other creators because, you know, it's what I do. But yeah, so thanks for watching. If you give this video a like and subscribe, it's very much appreciated. Because maybe someday I will do a better camera situation than what I'm doing, which is just my phone. But for now, that works. This was the one I was most excited for, of course.